Avya, how many vowels are there?
5 vowels.
Name them.
A, E, I, O, U.
Okay. What is the short sound of A?
A,
And long sound?
A,
And of E, short sound?
A,
And long sound?
E,
What is the short sound of I?
E,
And long sound of I?
I,
What is the short sound of O?
O,
And long sound?
O,
What is the short sound of U?
O,
And long sound of U?
U.
Avya, short sound of A क्या होती है?
A,
As in?
apple.
Long sound of A क्या होती है?
A,
As in?
cake.
Good. Short sound of E?
A,
As in?
egg.
Good. Long sound of E?
E,
As in?
leaf.
अब आप मुझे बताओ शॉर्ट साउंड ऑफ आई.
E,
As in?
igloo.
Long sound of I?
Ice cream.
आपको बोलना है लॉन्ग साउंड ऑफ आई. As in?
Ice cream.
अब आप मुझे बताओ शॉर्ट साउंड ऑफ ओ.
O,
As in?
octopus.
And long sound of O?
O,
As in?
boat.
Yes. अब आप मुझे बताओ शॉर्ट साउंड ऑफ यू.
O,
As in?
umbrella.
And long sound of U?
U,
As in?
uniform.
Good.